How to remove water from your phone speaker using sound. Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your muffled sounds on your phone speaker after water exposure. What you can do is first wipe the phone dry, use a soft cloth to remove visible water and the charging port facing it down. You can use the water eject sound on your speaker. If you don't have the sound built in on your settings menu, you can use any third-party apps like Google or even YouTube. So if you head over to YouTube, you can play a sound anywhere from 165 to 200 hertz to eject water from your speaker. So let me just go ahead and quickly search for a water eject sound. And you can find plenty of sounds from here. Just tap on any one of them. Now make sure you crank up the volume and you'll find the sound right here to eject water. So that is basically it, guys. Now just keep it turned on for the duration of the video and repeat if needed. You need to avoid heat and shaking. Don't use any kind of hair dryers or shake your phone hard so that it does not get any deeper in your system. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.